Ford! And Ford! And Ford!
Oh. Oh. This is not a drill. This is very interesting. This is a first. We are actually being evacuated out of the store because apparently there's a fire in the store. This is a first.
You guys started. That's cool.
There is actually a fire in the attic somewhere. We are being evacuated out of the building. This is interesting.
Yeah, it's in the attic. Oh, I smell it now.
Oh, I can. Oh, here. I can smell it. Okay. Fire department's on the way. I'm gonna go stand by my car. Which I'm hard to back here somewhere. There I am. I'm gonna go stand by my car to be safe. Here they come. This is a first. Okay. In case you don't know what's going on, apparently there is a fire in the attic of the Hartville thrift store. We have all been evacuated. I'm standing by my car right now until we get the all clear. This is a first for me. And as we were walking out of the building, you could actually smell the smoke from the building. I am safe. I am safe. I'm standing by my car. Oh, here comes another. Looks like another one is coming. Half the people are leaving. I'm actually going to stay put until we get the all clear. Go back in and finish my shopping. Okay. More EMTs are coming. People are actually leaving the store. This weekend. First Cedar Point gets backed up and now this. And here comes the ambulance. Pray that nobody got hurt. Oh, there's more coming that way. wind is blowing my hair all over. Here comes more. Come from that direction. This one is from Uniontown. We got fire department from Hartville, Uniontown. Which one is this one coming from? So, I can see people are actually leaving. Some of us are actually staying put. Yep, another. Wow, I can actually smell it from here. I can't tell if that's fire from the building or gasoline from the trucks. Okay, so what's going on is we are actually forced to leave the parking lot. This is a very serious situation. Coworkers are out. Like what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go next door. I'm actually gonna go to Starbucks and get me my usual Starbucks. See, I believe the fire is over there. Oh yeah, it's back that way. So, okay, it's right over there. That's where the action is. As you can see, we all had to evacuate the parking lot. So I'm gonna wait it out. Wait for the all clear. Pretty much the whole building was evacuated.
Oh damn, talk about alarm activation at the Hartville thrift store.
Yeah, and not a test either. Oh, by the way.
No.
Hello. Nah.
Yeah, I'm wearing my Coca-Cola shirt again.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
But yeah, as you can see what's going on, there is a fire going on at the Hartville thrift store. Apparently, well, you can't see anything here, but as you can tell where it is over there, there's actually a little bit of smoke coming out. It's not a huge fire, but still, if a fire is a fire. It's serious. This is a serious event. Oh, I hear another one coming. There's EMTs, fire trucks, ambulances, police cars from Hartville, and one showed up from Uniontown. And that's a pretty long drive. And looks like another oh yeah. See, as you can see, that person's actually trying to get in, and that cop. Yeah, they're actually evacuating people from the parking lot. As you can see right there from that car, she was trying to pull in, and the officer told him not to. Yeah. So we are actually being forced to evacuate the whole scenery. Like people were actually not allowed to into the parking lot. And like I said, here comes another one.
Another one.
Yeah, another fire truck or ambulance or yeah. There are already 3 fire trucks, an ambulance, and a couple of police cars. Well then, as you can definitely tell, this is not a test.
Yeah.
This will make a very interesting YouTube video, that's for sure.
Oh, believe me, I've had several of those
Thankfully.
incidents.
I don't know. I don't know if anybody got hurt, but there is an ambulance there just in case if there is. Yep. Like I said, here comes another. Making their way here. Another fire truck. Another fire truck just pulled into the scene. Wow. Wow, this is entertaining. This is entertaining.
Oh yeah, I know that feeling way too well.
Well, as you know, I hope nobody's hurting there, but yeah. Okay, that's enough of that.